Hey, I am 44 going on 17. That's right. I love to goof around. I'm not very serious, even though I am the world's most disciplined man. I just love being a kid at heart and hanging out with my puppy dog. Now, here's the thing. I could use that as an excuse. I could say, oh, I'm too old to be successful. I'm 44. How can I learn new technology? How can I learn social media at such an age? What a lame excuse. But also, I could say, oh, I'm too young to be successful. Nobody takes me seriously. Another lame excuse. Listen, there are people at every single age, in every single situation. Man and woman, black or white, young or old, everybody can be successful. And so you got to drop the lame excuses of I'm too old, I'm too young, I have 2.1 kids, I have 1.7 dogs. Whatever it is, those are all lame excuses. Because you've all heard the story of Colonel Sanders, who didn't start Kentucky Fried Chicken until he was 65, or you've heard other stories of somebody starting at a late age. Everybody's got obstacles in front of them, right? Everybody. We all have the things that should stop us. But you can't let it stop you. You can't. So no more excuses. That's a really lame excuse to say, I'm too anything. I'm too anything. Now all you have to say is, hey, listen, I am too committed to be stopped. That's your new mantra. Instead of I'm too old, I'm too committed. I'm too committed to let age stop me. I'm too committed to let all the obstacles in my way stop me. So go out there. Somebody who has been in worse circumstances than you has done more than you. And if that isn't enough to fire you up, I don't know what is. So you're too committed to be stopped. Drop me a comment below and let me know if that helped. And if you're committed, if you're serious, then send me a private message about the coaching programs that I have. I have 3 levels, one for beginners, one for intermediate, one for an advanced. You fit in there. Everybody's one of those. And they're all for the committed person, all right? So send me that private message and we'll get you started with one of the coaching programs. Looks like Daisy's done her dinner. Time to go and have my own.